What's up, everybody? We're here with Trendwired Solutions, and let me tell you, these guys are all about blowing up your business. But like, in a good way, we're talking about getting those customer numbers sky high. Today, we're going to break down 4 advertising strategies that are going to be huge. These strategies are next level, cutting edge, and we even used a little AI magic with ChatGPT to help develop them. Get ready to be mind-blown with some seriously unconventional approaches to winning over your first 1,000 customers. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to take some notes because this is going to be epic. All right, let's get real for a second. Have you ever noticed that most advertising just shoves a product in your face and yells, "Buy this"? It's like, they don't even care about the problems you're facing. Well, we're flipping the script here. Instead of leading with your product, lead with the problem it solves. Think about it like this. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Marketing expert. Remember HubSpot? They didn't blow up by bragging about their software. They became huge by shining a giant spotlight on the massive pain point that businesses were facing: inefficient and soul-crushing outbound marketing. HubSpot tapped into the frustration, the wasted time, and the missed opportunities that sales teams were drowning in. They said, "Hey, we see your struggle and we've got your back." And boom, people resonated with that. They were like, "These guys get me, they understand my pain," and that's where the magic happens. So, how do you do this for your SaaS product? First, ditch the sales pitch and put on your empathy hat. Dive deep into your target audience's world. What are their biggest challenges? What keeps them up at night? What are they absolutely sick and tired of dealing with? Show your audience that you understand their struggles, and they'll be more likely to listen when you present your product as the solution. That's how you create a real connection and build a loyal customer base. Okay, time to get a little crazy. Forget everything you thought you knew about the traditional sales funnel. We're about to flip it on its head. Instead of funneling people towards a purchase, let's flip the script and invite them to participate in something awesome. We're talking about creating unique challenges, interactive events, and experiences that get people excited about your brand. Event organizer, media corporate event game. Remember that time we gave away thousands of dollars in a giant game of tag? Yeah, it was wild. But it also got people talking about Mr. Beast and, let's be honest, having a ton of fun. That's what we're going for here. Think about it. What if, instead of just pitching your project management software, you hosted a massive online Excel Olympics? You could have people competing in ridiculous spreadsheet challenges, all while showcasing the power and efficiency of your software. People would be laughing, learning, and secretly wishing they had your product to dominate the competition. The key here is to be creative and unexpected. Think outside the box and come up with something that aligns with your brand and your target audience's interests. The beauty of this strategy is that it doesn't feel like selling. It feels like fun. And when people are having fun, they're more open to learning about your brand and what you offer. Plus, when they see how your product can enhance their experience, they'll be more likely to become customers. So, ditch the boring sales pitch and start brainstorming ways to engage your audience in a fun and memorable way. Chapter 3. The unexpected delight factor. Let's be honest, most SaaS products aren't exactly known for their exciting personalities. They're often seen as, well, kind of boring. But guess what? Yours doesn't have to be. It's time to inject some personality into your brand and create user experiences that are so unexpectedly awesome, people can't help but tell their friends.
Think about MailChimp. They're an email marketing platform, not exactly the sexiest thing in the world, right? But they've managed to create a brand that's fun, quirky, and even a little weird. And people love it. Their unconventional approach to email marketing has made them stand out in a crowded market.
So how do you create these radical experiences? Start by thinking about every single touch point your customers have with your brand. From the moment they land on your website to the emails you send, to the customer support interactions they have, how can you make each interaction more delightful and memorable?
Maybe it's adding a personalized touch to your onboarding process, like a handwritten note or a small gift. Or maybe it's surprising your customers with exclusive content or early access to new features. The key is to go above and beyond what's expected and create those wow moments that stick with people.
When you take the time to create these unexpected delights, you're showing your customers that you care about them and their experience. And that can go a long way in building brand loyalty and turning them into raving fans. Get creative, have some fun, and start injecting some personality into every aspect of your brand. Chapter 4. Building your tribe of raving fans. Alright, let's talk about the power of community. In a world where everyone's screaming for attention, there's nothing more powerful than a group of people who are genuinely passionate about your brand. These are your raving fans, your brand evangelists, the people who will shout your name from the rooftops.
The best part? Building this tribe doesn't require a massive marketing budget. It's about creating a sense of belonging, fostering genuine connections, and providing real value to your community. One way to do this is by creating exclusive mastermind groups where your most engaged users can connect, share ideas, and learn from each other. Think of it as a VIP club for your most loyal customers.
You can host online forums, webinars, or even in-person events exclusively for this group. Another strategy is to offer exclusive content that's only available to members of your community. This could be behind-the-scenes peeks, early access to new features, or in-depth guides and resources that aren't available to the public.
And don't forget about the power of offline events. Hosting meetups, workshops, or even just casual get-togethers can help foster those real-life connections that turn customers into friends. The key to building a thriving community is to make your customers feel like they're a part of something special. When people feel valued and appreciated, they're more likely to stick around and become advocates for your brand.
Boom! There you have it. 4 insanely effective advertising strategies to help you crush it in the SaaS world. Remember, it's not just about selling a product, it's about connecting with people, understanding their needs, and creating experiences they'll never forget. So, which strategy are you most pumped to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more game-changing tips and tricks from Trendwired Solutions. Now go out there, be awesome, and build the business of your dreams. We'll be cheering you on every step of the way.